Hey guys, okay, so if you've been watching my yoga swing, one of my handles was broke, and I just want to show you Yoga Body sent me a new replacement handle. They actually sent me 2 new replacement handles, but I'm just gonna save the one. Other side's fine. It just came cracked, and I didn't notice it at first that it was cracked, so I have been using it with a cracked short handle. Finally broke in one of my videos the other day. So now all I have to do is take this one. So this is the broken one. This is where it broke. So normally it should be like strong all the way to the ends. And there was a crack in this one that made the plastic actually break out. So I let them know about it, and it turns out like it came cracked. Something happened to it in shipping or production or something. It was cracked the whole time. So it's not like there was anything that I could have done. I couldn't have put enough force on it to even come close to cracking it. So I'm just going to slide this on the clip here, and voila, I have my new handle all set up, ready to go. I also wanted to show you that they also sent me a couple of other goodies just for being a customer, and one of them is this yoga strap, which I actually just lost mine recently. So I'm like, yay, a new yoga strap. And they sent me some abdominal sliders. I've seen these advertised, and I don't know. I'm interested to see how they work. So they got me a subscription, like a free, like however long subscription for their little like instructional thing on how to use these. So I'm gonna check it out, and I will play with it, and then I'll do a video, and we'll see if I can get good at these and if they actually help my abs, because goodness knows that's what I need. Maybe angles like this on the camera won't look so awful if I've got a little more like tight abs.